Alright, what's up, guys? Welcome to the stream. I did not trade last night. Actually, I did, but it was like really bad. MHP broke on ES last night, overnight. But it didn't even hold last night. It was like sign off kind of. I think MHP was around here. So when I traded it, it was around around maybe this. And when I traded it sunk. And then I went to go do other stuff. I didn't have a limit or anything, but it was a good trade from MHP to DD Let's see if I can make another video today. Wonder if I can run a vertical stream and a stream at the same time. In case like people scrolling on shorts run into me. I don't know. I don't think the music's too loud. I think it's loud enough. I actually want to fix something. I actually need to see this. Hold up. I need it like this. Dude, that's a lot. There we go. I use thumbtacks, and since I set that up, like use thumbtacks for the background, I keep finding them all over the floor. Actually, I was walking and I found out when I put my shoe that I had a thumbtack in my shoe. Thankfully, I walk around with sandals because that would have hurt. Still have a very long time till market opens. What day is it today? Actually, I could do to get rid of some time. I could can I? All right, bruh. All right. Hold up, I have an idea. What if I hold up. Oh my word! I just realized. Hold up. I'm gonna put this on this. Nice. Oh, I got distracted. Hold on. Investing.com. Oh. All right. What are we looking at today? Wait, where did I even get? Where did I even get that? Hold up. Where do I have to go to? Oh, economic calendar. Where is the economic? Oh, there it is. All right. Bro, this music is nice. Nice. All right. Oh wait, I have to filter this. No. Only affecting U.S. markets, please. There you go. That is other stuff doesn't matter. Apply. All right. So that stuff all happened already at 7. Anything during markets? There's 10:30 crude oil inventories through Star. Energy Information Administrator crude oils inventories measures the weekly change in the number of barrels of commercial crude oil held by U.S. firms. The level of inventories influence the price of petroleum products, which can have an impact on inflation. So it's probably like oil. This probably will affect oil. It probably would affect the U.S. a bit, but more like crude oil. The same could be said if a decline in inventory is more than expected. Yeah, so their forecast. I don't get this. Hold on. I don't get it, but if it's red, it's bad. If it's green, it's good. That's really it. So that's 1-3 start at 10:30. Can you guys actually see this? Yeah, I can. All right. The rest is just 1-1-1. Oh, another thing at 2 o'clock. I'm not even gonna be trading there. FOMC meeting minutes. This is 2, 3, 3:30, 3:30, 3:30, 3:30. All right, I did not ask for what even is that. I don't even gonna. This is a yeah, it's with that Australia. But yeah. So possibly one major thing. I do want to see what the crude oil does look like. Do I even have it? What's the symbol for crude? Crude oil futures. Crude oil futures. Is that a thing? Trading symbol for Brent crude oil futures contracts on MBZ. Is this crude? Hold up, I don't need to quickly check on TradingView. Crude oil futures. I have to ask Grok because I'm kind of confused. There we go. CL. I trade oil, so it means CL. Okay, so it's not BZ, it's CL. CL. So this is crude oil futures, I'm guessing. All right. I'm just gonna put this on watch list. Yeah. I just wanted to see if it's gonna do anything. Oh my word! What is going on with Rocket Scooter? All my crap is breaking. All my stuff is breaking. Hold on, I'm just gonna quickly reset it. As it keeps breaking. Maybe because of like the location I'm in. I don't even know why I have that one. Why can't I should just get rid of this. Get rid of this. Hold up. Get rid of scene 3. You're gone. Alright. Alright. Oh. I did see on Twitter that Nvidia earnings are coming out. Wait, what? Is this on? That's on chat. Hold up. I'll put this to media. I make this bigger. I feel like I should put it here. I think I'm gonna put it here because like you can't see the liquidity maps and other stuff in the video I was doing. So it was like kind of confusing. So maybe I'll just put it here. But this looks whoa, this looks weird. Yo. Okay. I had to make sure I knew my left and right. Alright. 35 minutes till market opens, so you still have a while. Actually does NVIDIA look like. What? I really can't tell in these stocks, so I usually just do this. This is hard to tell what the stock is, because like, look, it's just floating. Floating, 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 floating. When you switch it to line, you can just see it. What's line with what what that line? Area? Yo, that's kinda cool. What is that? Oh yeah, that's sick. That's sick. High low. I'm not gonna break it. I feel like I'm gonna break it. Still have a very long time till the market opens. I'm testing my stuff and I'm gonna do this. My mic is very loud. Very, very loud. And I don't wanna like jump scare people, you know, like so loud. So I'm just gonna quickly keep testing. I'm gonna do this. My mic is very loud. And I don't wanna like jump scare people. Loud. Turn it down a bit. Keep testing. My word, this headset can hear like everything. Alright, this should be good. Alright. This is a SteelSeries GG. I got it because I have a SteelSeries keyboard. It's pretty nice to use. Sometimes it doesn't work. Some days it does. Be able to see resilience. Alright, I'll be right back. Just want to read this because like I'm hearing Matt Schumann is like that this afternoon. I just want to know, bro, what is that? That is so freaky. I just want to know when okay, that's it. bro, it's starting at 5. Oh my word. Estimated November 15th based on past conference to call schedule at 5 p.m. All right. Where is that lower MHP? Let's get that down actually. Alright, sorry about that, guys. I was working on sample line on Training View. Bro, this chair, man, sucks. 10 minutes till market opens. I'll be right back again. My rocket sphere keeps breaking. Got like a cold sore. Like what? The sounds? Bro, remember when we played the Roblox version of that? Market open in 5 minutes. It looks like it's consolidating around here a lot. This is, I'm pretty sure, lower MHP. But as you can see, it comes down. Comes down. This pre-market. Pre-market doesn't have has the same amount of volume compared to New York session. Goes down, small bounce, comes down, big bounce, comes down, kind of big, and so it might just pop around here for pre-market. And NQ is just like basically doing the same because of where ES is at. Where's the middle? This looks like it could be like a bounce. Ooh. Did we? What was the daily yesterday? Wow, we closed in a green. Wow. Crazy. Very nice. Okay. You immediately see what the quick maps are. Okay, looks like lower MHP might be failing, but oh well. Oh well. Let's see what market opens. One minute till market opens. Could be a gap fill in the morning. Possibly a sell. Just like yesterday, so be careful. Alright, markets are open. Price is positive. Was positive on yes and NQ. Looks like it is selling. Morning. Trade maps haven't loaded in yet, so I'm not taking any trades yet. Res is now negative. Negative small. But this was what I'm expecting. A bit of a sell. Might be getting first. Oh wow. Alright. Res is getting lower. The quick now still haven't loaded in yet. Oh, now we're back up. Alright. For fast res movements, you can see it just moving back and forth. Res. Alright. Quick mass loaded in. MHP bounce rate here. Nice bounce here. Bull zone, bear zone. We actually are in a bear zone. Wait for. Alright, so bear to bull. So take trade from here to here. Right now, res is market's still crashing a bit. Bear zone here. When it comes down, tap right to bull. Great opportunity right here. Remember trade. The one a normal contract size. So like your normal contract size of 2. Res is positive. MHP res is negative though. This would be the trade here. Wait for the market to come down a bear and buy. Right to bull. See? All right, is it not? There we go. Right, I longed on ES pretty early though. Pretty early. Holding. Just the bear zone. Green bull. Let me see if I can get this stuff up real quick. Just a bull. Great start, great start. This might be the only bull trade of this morning. This could fail. Could fail. Still fine. Not much I see on NQ really. This could be a resistance point on MHP. So this could reverse on me. This could when it hits here reverse. As you can see, it's already trying to come down. Watch for that. 6. Still holding. About to get out soon though. Probably just get it. Yeah. Alright. I'll leave a runner. Oh, I accidentally bought 4. That's why. I'm gonna sell 2. I was able to claim some profit. I'm leaving a runner because I just want to see if I can actually hit bull. Where is MHP? We are below MHP on both. All right, looks like NQ broke MHP. Could be a retest on MHP. All right, I'm getting out. Nice. Let's get out, close that. Okay, so that might be the only bull trade. Thankfully, I was able to get in that. A next trade opportunity. If market comes down and retest off MHP, even though res is negative, I'll take one trade. I'll take a small, or maybe a medium. I'm just quickly setting up all this stuff. All right. I already have that set up. Half gap. Where is half gap? Half gap is gone. Oh my word. Stupid, man. Let me refresh this real quick. My bad. It broke again. I could just leave it on for the day. Fine. And that was a good trade. Alright, so it's connected. Alright, like, man, my internet must be slow, or might be the location I'm in. Alright, so this was just what I was talking about in my video. So as you can see, one of the sandwich EST trades, bear to bull. There was no sandwich trade because it was as you can see, bear bull bear. So it was the other one. This is correct. There you go. All right. Bro, this thing keeps happening. Stop doing that. Still breaks. My word. All right, so this is what I was talking about on my last video, and it did work out. Bear. I took one on bear. Bull. Right here, just as it says. Now I didn't hold. I didn't do what this did. I only basically did was bear to bull, because I'm not gonna. I don't expect the market to shoot up this many points. Now, if it was closer, sure. It happened here on NQ, as you can see. Bear. Well, it hasn't happened yet. I hope it does. Maybe it can hit bear. This was a trade. It did hit bear. Bull. The market could bounce. Hold up. Market could bounce off bull again and hit bear. I take bull and bear every single time. Look at that. Look at that volume spike. Look at this. Hasn't hit really, but it was very close because of this. Boom. It just shoots. Shoots up. Yeah, NQ and ES basically copies of each other, so you can basically see some similarity. The same thing really happened here. This looks like a QQQ close. It was a super high pivot, but no, this just was what happened to E was a yes. My rocket sphere keeps breaking. That's why I have to keep doing this. Not nice. Not nice. Reds is positive. Why did the liquid map change? What in the world? Why'd that change? All right, so looks like we have broken MHP on almost ES. It's great. Oh, you guys can see. Look at that. You guys can see this. This is one of the things I was talking about in the video. Bear, bull, bear. It's right here, right here. This is it right here. The market comes down. Not technically, more on ES side, as you can see, but the market comes down, comes up through it, bounce right here off there, comes up, comes into the bull, little bounce, little bounce here, maybe not exactly, but a little bounce here, right to bear. Boom. Take this every time. Even take bull zones too. Take these bull zone trades. If the market decides, oh, during this, the next spot I'm gonna take is if the market starts coming up here and drops. I take this bull zone right here. Bull zone to bull zone. And if bull zone fails, we'll right down here take MHP. So many opportunities today. Probably not selling off like it usually is. Right for ES, MHP bounce. MHP is positive. I have no idea what is going on with my ES though. Like, what is that? Okay, I just have to do this. Right, MHP bounce. Very high bullishness. Look at that. Plus 40 res. I don't know why it changed though. It says if we open above MHP, which we didn't, we open below. Man, look at that. It's just going up. It is just going up. I do want to see if I can get a bounce up MHP hold. All right, looks like market is coming down. Res is still positive. This could be the bounce you might get on MHP. Just gonna see if I can give it closer. I'll take it. If it doesn't come down, it's fine. All right, bro. What in the world is going on? This is, for some reason, this changed. This used to be NQ LP, which means LP, which means long, or no, liquidity pocket. My bad. But yes, good day. I can probably just stop, but I'm just gonna keep watching. Maybe there's more opportunities. This could go up to DD band. Could go up to DD band, and could move up to D band, and that could be where it wants to sell, maybe down for reversal. This could happen where market could come up, bounce below DD band, come down MHP, and then yeah. So if res, DD band res is below 0.50, but it's on the dot. It's on the dot, 0.50. If it is below 0.50, take a normal short trade, go down. But if it is above 0.50, sit out if you're going to take a short. It's like a shorting thing. But the market is very bull right now. Very bull. So it might, hold up. Let me quickly, if equities are maintaining bullishness, they won't plunge. If equities are bearish, futures won't. Yeah, so this could happen where it could break DD band. Could happen. I have to refresh my rocket scooter for the 5th time. But it looks like NQ broke upper DD band, as you can see. NQ broke upper DD band. Usually when you trade DD bands, you usually trade like the market comes down to the lower DD band. You trade. Remember it says no trade upper trades. Pretty sure. No shorting. Oh wait, so yes. So there's a 4% chance of closing above DD band. No shorting. You could have a long setup on upper DD band. It looks like market is coming down for MHP. That is in our trade, MHP. Look at that bounce, upper DD band. Deep, right there. That was a setup right there. But it looks like it could come back in. Remember, there's an 4% chance that the market is above DD band. And there's an 80% chance it closes in the DD bands. So either it could consolidate around here, shoot up, or then shoot up and come down. Trade right here is where market comes, bounce off bull zone, just right to this bear. That's it. The market continues to go up. ES might be looking like it might be slowing down a bit, or this could just be like a little consolidation, possibly around here, because where NQ is, it's by DD bands. Remember, if you're going to short, the shorting things you need to see if you're going to short. Res is negative. Right now, res is not negative. DD res is not below 0.5. So it looks like it could just go right straight through. And today is a great day to be a bull, finally. I thought we were gonna sell this morning to like a sell the lower DD band or something. I wonder if this could be because of Nvidia earnings. I wonder if it's like gone the market into a bullish area because people have so much high hopes for Nvidia earnings. Could go straight past DD band. Oh, looks like NQ is coming in a bull zone. So remember, wait for that retest if you want to take another trade there. Just rare, quick scalp. When you take a bull trade, you take a normal. Alright, I'm going to take a trade on bull. NQ. Just a bear zone. Quick scalp, and if it falls, it falls. I can always scale it if I wanted to. I have all my signs for this to be bullish. For a working trade. Positive res, DD band res, good. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. If this fails, I'm wrong for the right place. Now what could happen is because we didn't actually get a good enough bounce, it could just come down a bit lower and actually go. All right, looks like ES is coming up to HP. There is no really trade for HP unless it like consolidates. Consolidates really but it might if it breaks DD band, there could be a trade off DD band upper retest. my rocket scooter, refreshing. So what the liquidity map was saying is, if it loads, is if the market starts consolidating around here, just buy one. Buy one. What is it? Trying to see if liquidity maps load. I guess it's not gonna load because this thing keeps breaking. My word, bruh. Load liquidity maps, please. I'm trying to tell. So, if for 3, if MHP res is above 0, take a normal. If MHP res is below 0, take a medium. So take one half of normal. So if you're trading 2 contracts, trade 1. I don't know why my rocket scooter keeps doing this crap. This is getting annoying. Why do I just like... Oh, I literally just have to... I just have to push Alt R. I mean Control R. Alright, so it looks like the liquidity map changed again for some reason. It looks like the market could be slowing down around here. It has gone up around 300 points, which is crazy. Alright, so it looks like ES is breaking DD ban. If you did... Okay. I don't know why it's changing this like this. Kind of like it's confusing people. I'm still holding this long from right here. Just a bear zone. And then I'll be out. Next trading opportunity is bounce off DD. I'm gonna quickly see if how much you want to. So take a small. You take a small. Small if it consolidates around upper DD. Do another pivot. The only other pivot would be like a bear and bull. So you could just do the normal 40 points if you wanted to. Okay, nice. Markets are still moving strong now. Ever since that DD ban break, markets are just exploding. I'm going to take some profit. Just gonna size down. Okay, so it looks like not working. Is this thing broken or something? Oh my word, this thing is so slow. Get me out. My word. And so I made around maybe 10. I really can't tell. Alright, I'm flat, I'm out. So finally a good day to be a bull. Oh my word. I've been waiting so long. Alright, guys, I think I'm gonna end stream here. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna see if I can make a video on some more stuff on Rocket Scooter. Maybe more like the... I'm still kind of like learning more about Rocket Scooter, so it's kind of hard to like I don't have much experience with most of the stuff that I'm learning yet, so I can't like say it in my own words really. But thanks for watching, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Wait, I don't have like... Oh wait, I don't.